get this easy shampoo hair washing basin. I've been watching Earth Mama Medicine. Get it, boy. Get it. Sorry. So it's all blown up, ready to go. Has its own little cleaning valve, whatever this is, and it came with these. So I think that's really good. Came with the little patches, a little glue, so you can kind of mend it if it gets a hole or something. So I really like that. So after he's done with his workout and playing with the dog, we can get his hair washed. Alright, you keyboard warriors, so I'm going to update you guys on a few things. For one, you're going to notice in the next few clips that my husband's water from his hair soak is extremely dirty, and there are just a few reasons for that, which I will briefly explain. For one, he sweats a lot. As you guys saw in the previous clip, he is working out, he's doing push-ups, he's always been like that. So he sweats profusely. So that obviously gets to the scalp and therefore into the locks. So that has to be deep cleaned out weekly. 2, black wax. He started his journey on black wax. We know that is not the right thing to put on his hair. It breaks out his scalp, so we no longer use black wax, just aloe vera juice and aloe vera gel. 3, his job. Have you ever imagined the person that has to come in and clean after a natural disaster or a fire? Well, that's my husband, and obviously when you're around that many different elements, it's going to get into your locks. Again, another reason why we wash weekly. Now, let's go back to the video.
Oh!
Too hot?
No, that's good. It just touched the back of my neck real quick.
No.
Hold on.
How you feel? Did you get your hair washed like this more often?
It's pretty cool.
Wow, the water is getting filled up already.
Well, you put too much water in it.
That's what I was thinking. Actually, check out a bunch of cups.
As long as it don't move too much or whatever,
So
I'm
some
good.
little pieces in it. Just good. Rinse it out.
As long as ain't too much movement going on, it won't leak out. But I feel like it's gonna leak out. What, you put lemon in here?
Yeah, it's the recipe.
Who said put lemon in?
Recipe. You comfy?
Yeah.
Already, goodness. So, I'm gonna let you soak. I don't know how long they soaked for. I think it was about like 30 minutes. Let's rewind this and see. Earth Mama Medicine and her boo did the same thing. Looks good. As long as you're comfortable.
Yeah, as comfortable as I'm gonna be.
Yeah. Start this way. You okay? So at this point, I'm just picking up the locks and cleaning each one that I can find the black wax in. I'm just going to go all around his head until I'm done.
Oh my god.
I got it. We're going to... Alright, we're going to transfer you over. So with that slowly. Oh, we're going to transfer to the towel over here. So I can clear out the water. We can soak it just one more time for like 5 more minutes. You're going to lay down. Alright. Let's get you over there. Damn, sock! Go somewhere. least into here and clear it out. Mixed in. How's that?
I don't know. It ain't leaking this time, so.
It's a little better. Another 5 minutes. You're pretty much ready to tie it up for now until you get in the shower. You're just gonna rinse it through, and then whatever oil you want on it after that. So I really wanted to like record outside a tiny bit, but the reality is it's storming right now, so that's not happening. I should have locs shortly here. Like for instance, look at this one. Doesn't have enough weight or enough curliness to it. I'm not sure how that works actually. Where's the point where it actually hangs down on its own so I can at least have a hairstyle other than an updo?